Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dawson and today I am doing a collaboration with Dramatic_Eyes Goals, and here is her channel banner screenshot right here. She has been one of my friends here on YouTube for at least 3 months or more. I really can't remember when we actually met, but we have been staying in contact with each other, watching each other's videos, and I really love her content. If you really love bright colors and dramatic eye looks, you will love her channel. She has a channel full of videos of dramatic eye makeup looks. So definitely go over there and check her out. And if you do so, please tell her Valerie Dawson sent you. I would greatly appreciate it. But yeah, I really wanted to collaborate with her. So I asked her if she would like to collaborate with me. She said yes. And she made up the idea we would do a orange summer vibe makeup look, and that's what we did today on our videos. We're both going to be uploading at the same date and time. I'm pretty sure. Anyways, we agreed on a time and date. She sent me a couple of pictures for inspiration of what she was really wanting for us to do. I did not go with exactly the same thing, but I got what she was wanting, so I created this orange pink smoky summer vibe makeup or eyeshadow look, and this is what I came up with. And I paired it with just a natural, very shimmery, glittery lip, and I have a gold highlight on. And yeah, thank you so much, Dramatic Eyes Goals, for wanting to collaborate with me. This was a lot of fun. Thank you so much. If you want to see the products that I used and how I use them, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I am going to be working on a orange vibe summer eyeshadow look today. So the first thing that I'm going to start off with is priming my eyelids, and I'm going to use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden. And I'm just going to prime my eyelids with this. Now I'm going to set a base with this Maneater Tarte Maneater Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the color Meow, which is a ivory or cream color, and I'm going to mostly put this in the brow bone area, but yeah. And now I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, the one with the mattes, and I'm going to get this very bright yellow shade, and I'm pretty much going to use this as like a transition color. And to further intensify this look, I'm going to do a second layer on each side and try to even them up a little bit more. After that, I'm going to use this very bright, almost neon orange shadow, and I'm pretty much going to go almost like right below it. It's still going to be like a transition color, but it's going to be right below this one, so you can see just a tad bit of that yellow I just put on. After that, I'm going to go back in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden, and I'm going to put it on the, like, right above the upper lash line, and I'm going to kind of blend it out, so it's kind of like doing a cut crease, but it's not as strong. And then I'm going to go in with this very bright pink that you see right here, and I'm going to put it basically on the lower lash line, but then I'll also kind of blend it out to that orange. And then I'm going to go back in with that orange color right here that we used before and basically just blend it together. And I will do my lower lash line after I get my foundation and everything on. Right now I'm going to do my upper lash line with this Smashbox Always Sharp waterproof Kohl eyeliner, and I'm just going to put this in my upper lash line. So you see that I messed up my eyeshadow a little bit with that liner. I'm going to try to get it off with a Q-tip, and yeah. That did not really work, so now I'm going to use that Q-tip and I'm going to go in with that same color that is on my lid, and I'm going to try to pack it on top, see if that helps. That did not work, so now I'm going to put the Q-tip in a makeup wipe and try to rub it off and do that part over again. Alright, that seemed to do the trick, so now I'm going to do the other eye. After that, I'm going to use my Pixie by Petra Lash Booster Mascara to coat my lashes. Alright, so I messed up on my mascara like I almost always do. I'm going to let this dry and we'll come back to it. So I guess I can do my foundation now. Well, actually, I guess I can go ahead and do my primer. I'm going to use the Kohl Professional Smooth Glow Hydrating Foundation Primer and prime my face with it. I'm getting a weird glare right under here from the light. It's like shining on my floor and hitting me under here. So excuse that. But now I think it's dried, so I'm going to try to clean it up with a Q-tip. See if it just flakes off. Right after that, I'm going to put on my Ardell Whispies. These are the original feathered lash with invisible band, 5 pairs. It's 113 black. I'm going to basically cut them down to my size, trimming the outside edge a little bit, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I did go ahead and apply the Kiss Lash, the strip lash adhesive off camera to the lashes so they could go ahead and get tacky. And now I am about to put them on. Alright, I got the falsies on and I really like them. They are very cute and wispy. And now I'm going to put my foundation on since the Kohl primer has had time to set in my skin. And I forgot to wet my sponge, so I'm going to do that right quick and be right back with you. So the foundation I'm using is the Thrive Cosmetics CC Cream. And I know this is the first time using it on camera, but I have been using it for like a week off of camera, and I really do like this foundation. I believe I should have got a different color. I got the color light medium, and I should have got the color that is like a little bit lighter because this is a little bit darker for me, but it'll be okay. I can lighten it up with concealer afterwards, so it's no big deal. But look at the finish it gives. Like, it's just so pretty. I'm sorry about the lighting, but you can still kind of see it just looks really good on the skin. I really like it. Now for concealer, I'm using my Physicians Formula Conceal. And now I'm going to set my foundation and concealer with the CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder. After that, I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Maneater Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to use the Midnight color, this matte brown color, to fill in my brows. Now I'm going to set my face using the Smashbox Love Ritual Primer Water. Alright, now I'm going to go back into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm using that same pink color as we put on the inner, like that pink color right there on the lid, and right there I'm going to put it on my lower lash line, and I'm not going to try to be that precise with it. Because it's supposed to be kind of like a smoky blown out, but not smoky. I don't know. And now I'm going to go in with that same orange color that we used on like the crease area right here. And I'm going to kind of smoke out the bottom lash line. So the bronzer I'm going to be using today is the Too Faced Sweetheart Bronzer. So for highlighter, I wanted a really gold shimmer highlighter that was really intense. I forgot what this is off of. I want to say it was from some type of Makeup Revolution palette, but I can't really remember, but it was depotted, and this is what it looks like. You can use any type of gold shimmer highlight out of your collection that you might have, or maybe even an eyeshadow, but this is what I have. See, that is so pretty. I wanted a gold highlight. Here it is. I don't feel like I need any blush, so I guess I'm going to just put on my lip product. So, since we went matte, like a very colorful matte eyeshadow look, I want a very natural looking shimmer for my lips. So I think the Anastasia Beverly Hills, what color is this? Venus lip gloss would be the perfect color for this look. So I'm just going to use my Pacifica Cherry Kisses facial wipes to get my foundation lips off and pop this on top. I don't think I've tried this on camera before, but this has a very pleasant scent to it. Maybe like a sweet, almost cupcake kind of smell to it, or some kind of sugary smell to it. And it does feel a little gritty, so if you don't like that, you probably won't like this. But it feels like sugar. Like if you was to put like a sugar in a lip gloss, like a regular shiny lip gloss. This is kind of like the feel to it. It doesn't feel that bad. It just let you know, if you don't like any type of grit to your lip gloss, you won't like this one. But I think it's a very beautiful natural shimmer, if there's such thing. But I think this is a great lip for this eyeshadow look. Okay, that's pretty much the look. I'm gonna go and get ready, and I'll be back with you with my intro and outro. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked this orange summer vibe makeup look that I created. Don't forget to go and check out Dramatic Eyes Goals YouTube channel. I have her link down in my description box below. Go check her channel out. She has so many dramatic eye looks on her channel, and if you do so, please tell her Valerie Dyson sent you. And just to kind of give y'all my channel update, I will no longer have scheduled times and dates for my videos anymore. As a lot of you already know, that I started doing full-time at my job, so I don't know when I can, you know, upload. Sometimes I might get to upload barely any, maybe only once a week, and then other times I can do 4 videos a week. I don't really know yet. This is like a little hobby of mine that I really enjoy, so I continue on doing them because you guys are my buddies and I cannot stay away from y'all. I will no longer have scheduled times and dates, but I hope you will stick with me. I do plan on keep doing what I have done in the past. I want to do TJ Maxx haul still. I want to do Stitch Fix unboxings for you still, and I still want to do random videos like this one with you guys. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time on my next video. Bye!